In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import and associate multiple objects in one file in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful if you're working with contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or even custom objects, and you want everything connected properly in a single upload instead of importing separate files and manually associating them later. By the end of this video, you'll know how to structure your file, configure the import settings, map associations correctly, and complete the process without errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and CRM tips. Now, let's get started. Step 1 is preparing your single file correctly. This is the most important part of the entire process. Your spreadsheet must include one column for each object's unique identifier. For example, if you're importing contacts and companies, you'll typically use email as the unique identifier for contacts and company domain name as the unique identifier for companies. If you're working with deals, you might use deal name along with another unique value depending on your setup. The key idea here is that HubSpot needs a clear way to identify each object, so it can either create a new record or update an existing one. In addition to those identifier columns, include all other property columns you want to import, such as phone number, lifecycle stage, deal amount, ticket status, or any custom properties you've created. Make sure each column header is clearly labeled, so HubSpot can automatically map them during the import process. Once your file is ready, step 2 is navigating to the import tool inside HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account, then click on the settings icon in the top navigation bar. From there, go to Data Management, then click on Imports. Once you're inside the Import section, click Start and Import. This will launch the Import Setup wizard. Step 3 is choosing the correct import type. When prompted, select File from Computer. Then choose One File, since we're importing everything from a single spreadsheet. After that, select Multiple Objects. This is critical. If you choose Single Object, HubSpot won't allow you to create associations between different record types within the same import. Selecting multiple objects tells HubSpot that your file contains related data that needs to be connected. Next, step 4 is selecting which objects you're importing. HubSpot will show you options like contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and any custom objects available in your account. Choose the 2 or more objects that are included in your spreadsheet. For example, if your file contains contact emails and company domains, select Contacts and Companies. If it includes deals connected to companies, select Deals and Companies. Make sure your selection matches exactly what's in your file. Now, step 5 is uploading your file and mapping properties. Upload your prepared spreadsheet, and HubSpot will begin automatically mapping columns based on the header names. Carefully review each mapped field to ensure it matches the correct property. The most important section here is mapping associations. HubSpot will display a section that says something like Map columns to associate contacts to companies. This is where you confirm how the objects relate to each other. For example, you'll map email to the contact identifier and domain to the company identifier. This tells HubSpot which contact should be linked to which company. Double-check this step because incorrect mapping can result in broken or missing associations. Once everything looks correct, click Next. Finally, step 6 is reviewing and finishing the import. HubSpot will show you a summary page outlining how many objects will be created, how many will be updated, and how many associations will be made. Take a moment to review these numbers carefully. If everything looks accurate, click Finish Import. HubSpot will process the file, and once completed, your objects will be created or updated and automatically associated based on your mapping. And that's it. You've successfully imported and associated multiple objects in one file in HubSpot, saving time and ensuring your CRM data stays properly connected. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.